Kia ora, I'm Courtney and I'm the Te Toa Whenua Project Co-ordinator. So Te Toa Whenua is an intergenerational land restoration project based here in the Lower Waipoa Valley. So we do a lot of environmental work. We've got a predator control team, we have a nursery team, and we have a field-based weed management team. It's been really great to see a team of 8 people who are working in the field full-time, doing environmental work that's really important to this area. Not only are we providing meaningful job opportunities for people here in Waipoa, but we're seeing real changes in the environment. We're getting rid of weeds, we're eradicating possums, and we're growing trees that we're replanting back into the whenua. I love going out and seeing all the trees growing, the ngāhere thriving. The Waipoa Forest is a really significant, special place. These areas are ex-forestry blocks and they've been neglected for a really long time. So it's really important to see these areas thriving again through replanting, through predator control and through eradicating weeds.